Hi everyone, welcome to first video on geospatial analysis and machine learning for precision agriculture. In this video, we will walk through Python notebooks that demonstrate some practical steps for analyzing geospatial data and applying machine learning models to precision agriculture. We begin a look at notebook that covers the introductory steps needed to apply machine learning models to geospatial data. If you are interested in learning how to use Python for precision agriculture, you are in the right place. Let's dive into the first part. The first lesson is in our series on geospatial analysis and machine learning for precision agriculture using Python. Here we will explore how agriculture 4.0 is revolutionizing farming by making it digital and data driven. With geospatial analysis, precision agriculture leverages advanced technologies like sensor, GPS, satellite imagery to enhance decision making and optimizing the use of agriculture resources. Introduc- Introduction to machine learning. Machine learning is a branch of artificial intelligence focused on creating algorithms that learn from data. Instead of relying on predefined rules, machine learning enables computers to make predictions and decisions by identifying patterns in data. Why machine learning? Early intelligent systems used manually coded rules to make decisions. However, such rule-based systems are limited in their adaptability, scalability. Machine learning overcomes this, allowing models to learn directly from data, adapting to changing conditions without requiring manual intervention. Stages of machine learning. Machine learning involves several steps: problem understanding, define clear objective, data collection and preparation, ensuring data quality with often involves handling missing and inconsistent information, model building, creating and testing models to find optimal solutions, evaluation, critiquing model performance and interacting on data and model parameters as needed. Deployment, presenting results and implementing model in a production environment. Collecting data, prepare data, choose a model, then train, parameters tuning, evolution testing and deployment, forecasting. This is the whole machine learning life cycle. As I have already explained, problem solving. How can machine learning solve precision agriculture problems? Machine learning in precision agriculture. Precision agriculture applies machine learning across various stages of the agriculture cycle, enabling efficiency improvements through advanced data-driven techniques. Species selection. Machine learning can analyze decades of field data to identify gene traits linked to water use, climate adaptability, disease resistance, and nutrient content. This data help in predicting beneficial genetic traits for crops. The next is soil management. Soil management is a complex resource. Machine learning adds in understanding soil dynamics by analyzing moisture, temperature, and evaporation, which are crucial to predicting crop growth and effects of climate change. Next is water management. Efficient water use is critical in agriculture. Machine learning helps predict transportation aeration rates, optimizing irrigation systems, and conserving water resources. Next is yield forecasting by integrating real-time data with advanced algorithms. Machine learning focus crop yields, adding in supply demands, planning, and maximizing productivity. Crop quality. Machine learning enhance crop quality assessment by detecting quality characteristics that improve product value. It leverages real-time sensor and imagery data for health monitoring, reduce waste, and maximizing profit. Programs, programming and algorithms. Program is a set of core machine learning. It involves writing, testing, and maintaining code to implement algorithms and solutions. Different programming languages often various advantages, but most share the capability to solve complex problems. Why Python in programs? Python, a popular language introduced in 1990s, is known for its readability and versatility. It supports structure and object-oriented programming, make it ideal for complex application. Large tech companies, including Google, Netflix, use Python, which adds to its reliability and appeal. Its extensive libraries, open source nature, large user community make it excellent choice for data science and machine learning. The advantages: simple, easy to learn and program with intuitive syntax, cross-platform compatibility, runs on Windows, macOS, Linux, and more. Extensive libraries Python provide libraries like pandas, numpy, scipy useful for data processing, analyzing, and machine learning. Active community and documentation Python's large community offers resources, forums, extensive documentation. Career objectives Python skills are in demand, especially in data science and AI fields. Python for data science. Python is widely used in data science because of its versatility and powerful libraries like pandas for data manipulation, numpy for numerical data analysis, and libraries like TensorFlow and Keras for machine learning and deep learning. Introduction to Google Colab. Google Colab is a cloud-based platform that allows you to write and execute Python code in a notebook. It's especially popular for machine learning and data science projects. And what are the advantages of Google Colab? No local installation required. Everything runs in the cloud, so you don't need to install software locally. Pre-installed libraries. Colab comes with many special libraries like NumPy, Pandas, and TensorFlow. Easy sharing and collaboration. Notebooks are saved on Google Drive, making it easy to collaborate with others. Access high performance hardware. Free access to powerful hardwares like GPUs and TPUs for demanding tasks. Collab Pro offers even more resources for those needing extra performance. This concludes our theory introduction. In the upcoming lessons, we will dive into the practicing applications using Python and Google Colab to solve real-world agriculture problems with machine learning. Thank you for watching, and let's get ready to code in the next session.